Video is still very underutilized, and it's one of the best ways to break through to the buyer. Instead of sending email number 7, instead of calling people 5 times, a lot of times I just like breaking out my phone, and it almost feels like I'm cheating when I'm working with these internet buyers because this is almost like a hack because a lot of people don't do it. Break out your phone. Hey, buyer, it is Kyle. Thank you so much for considering us. I walk the lot every single day, and I'm thinking about you, and I'm trying to find you that exact perfect vehicle. We just took in this. We just took in that. Give me a call. Let me know what you're interested in still, and I am here to help you. You send somebody over some videos with you walking the lot. You send over videos of new inventory. You send over videos of your bright, smiling face. That is a great way to break through to the buyer. And the majority of people do not touch a video. Video is a great way to break through.